Guys, let's do something interesting today. So, let's get started. So what I'm doing, I'm going to apply masking tape here and there randomly, like one here. I'm going to apply few coats here. Do not dilute or apply a single coat or it won't come off easily. Now I'm going to ask these guys to paint. Is this watercolor? No, this is ink. Once it's done, we'll let the painting dry, and when it's dry, we'll start taking off the tape. It's super easy way to create an abstract art. You would absolutely love it. This process was super satisfying. I took a bit more time than it was needed. Let me know in the comments, did you like it or have you tried it? Thank you.